guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry for the bad lighting. I just didn't charge my ring light, so it's an iPhone light. Welcome back, and if you know me, if you've been to my channel before, you know I've been very inactive. The last video I posted was I think it was 4 months ago, and the reason for that being is that I now attend, drum roll please, insert drum roll sound, I now attend a boarding school, so that's why I've been really inactive, and I kind of miss posting videos, so I thought I could start back up again. Best way to start off is a tour. So I'm going to be doing a room tour, but if I just did a room tour, that would be kind of boring. So I reached out to my friend, and he's going to do his room tour. We both go to the same school, and I'm going to do mine. So it's going to be like a boy-girl comparison room tour type sort of thing. If you like this video and want to see more videos like these, then subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and give me some video ideas of what I can do. Thanks for watching, and let's roll to the clip. This is my room. There's some wallpaper on the door. I'm not gonna show my roommate's side as much just because I don't know if she wants me to show her side. She's not here right now. Anyways, this is my side. There's a lot of colors going on. I have my Christmas sheets with everything that doesn't match over there, but it's fine. Here's my tapestry. It says Babe Cave. Really cool. And this is my desk where my homework is, stuff like that. This is my dresser. It's really messy right now. I might not show that. There's me, looking like a mess. But yeah, this is just a mirror. This is a mirror. You probably didn't need to see that. Anyways, that's my laundry bag in the corner. I mean, there's not much to show, but yeah, let's go over here. Here's my wall of stuff that people give me, and then some art I tried to hang up. Those lights suck. I'm planning to get those rainbow ones that you put around the corner of the room, but I have not gotten those yet. And I have my Christmas sheets on. Yeah. Over here is our day students desk, but we kind of hog it, which we probably shouldn't. But this is my Christmas tree for the holidays. I have wrapping paper and presents for my Secret Santa exchange with my dorm. And then there's outside. There's snow on the ground. But yeah, so this is my side. It's messy, but this is kind of the cleanest it can get because I have so much stuff in such a small area. There's nowhere else to put it. So yeah. Marcus's is probably going to be much better than mine because he actually has a real camera and it's going to look better. But my room's better. Comment down below my room's better because I have art and a tapestry. Okay, bye.
Okay guys, so we have the door over here. We have a nice mirror on there. I installed it myself. Over here we have some foam padding that doesn't work as acoustic padding, it just looks cool. Over here we have my wardrobe. I'm not going to show you guys in here because it's a mess in there. And then we have my jacket, hook and stuff, my shower stuff. And we're pretty much done with this area. I have clothes in there. And over here we have my bed. We have my boy's trash can. Funny story, I used to have a YouTube channel too. Me and my friend made a video at Build-A-Bear Workshop, and we got this little guy, Trash Cam, and he's my homie. So there's my bed. We have my nice pillow over there. Over here we have some more foam padding. I'm trying to start a photo wall, but right now it's just me. Over here we have the love of my life, my insanely nice Epiphone acoustic guitar, which I love and I've had for I don't know how many years. We have my Fender amp. That's really cheap. I got it for my electric guitar, which is right now at home. And over here, we have the microphone that I'm using to record this, that I also use for music. And shifting around, there's my window. You can see the lovely view outside. It's basically a wall. It's a bit snowy outside right now, which is cool, but that's nice. And so we have my studio area over here, as you can see. So we have my computer, which is recording the audio right now, and I can usually hook it up to this monitor right here. And I have my keyboard, which I use to make music. And under there, you probably can't see it at all, and there's a bunch of wires and stuff down there. But I have my Xbox hooked up to the monitor also, which I use. And over here, thank you to our sponsor today, G Fuel. Check out the new KSI flavor, Strawberry Banana. now shipping. You can get a buy one, get one off deal going on right now. Link is in the description. So we got these lights that I have in the back. These aren't the good kind. I wouldn't recommend these, but I'm getting new ones that I'm gonna put over there. Above this, we have some acoustic padding. Above that, we have, shout out to Nelk Boys, full send flag. I don't even think that's a real one that they make, but I love them. Over here, we have some hats. We have my Nintendo Switch, which I don't use very much. Anyway, we got some controllers over here, more clothes, a bunch of school stuff, and that's pretty much my desk. Oh yeah, all of the equipment that I have will be in the description. We have a box for my hockey skates, and toiletries, trash, camera bag, my skateboard. We love skating. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.
I'm filming this outro on Snapchat, but thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which room tour was better, because I personally think mine was better, but that's just me. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Peace out.